Hello everyone, welcome back to our visualization playlist. So as we know guys, here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this Gantt chart. So I hope now you are cleared with how we need to use this Gantt chart visual. And now in today's tutorial, we will also learn another custom visual which name is simple image. So before start this class, let me give you brief knowledge about this simple image visual. So with the help of this visual, we can add any of the image in our report and make our report more realistic and interactive, which you guys have generally seen in our different reports and dashboards. So let me show you the glimpse of that report. So here is the report guys. So here I have taken one slicer visual where I have displayed products, and here under this card visual guys, I have taken price of that product, and we can also see a picture which is related to the product. So if I select any of the value from the slicer guys, then I can see the same picture related to this product. Let's suppose if I click here on this aeroplane. So see guys, I can see the same picture which I have selected in slicer along with its price, which is 10 million. So if I select any other value guys, so I can see the same product along with its price. So now the question is how I have created this requirement. So firstly guys, what I am doing, I am just removing this simple image visual from here. And let's create this visual from scratch. So here we can see I have imported this visual from marketplace, which name is simple image. So let me select this visual first. And we can make it resize. And before that guys, let me show you the data set. So let's go to the table view. And here under this image table guys, I have taken some product name along with its links. And now let's go back to the report view. And now guys, look at the parameter. So here we have image URL. So simply expand this table and select this link field and drop here under this image URL parameter. So see guys, it is by default taking bike image. And now if I click here on any of the value under the slicer, so we guys can see the value is changing along with its price. So with the help of this simple image visual guys, you guys can make your report more attractive and more dynamic. And you guys can impress your management with the help of this more realistic report. And now let's talk about some formatting feature of this simple image visual. So let me select this visual first and go to formatting pane. And here we have image setting. So from here guys, you guys can set your image. Let's say fit to the visual. See guys. So in this way, you guys can change the scaling from here. And one more feature guys, image alignment. So you guys can also set the alignment like top center, top right, and so on. And the next formatting feature is alt text, which is alternative text. So if you guys have alternative text, only then you guys can use this feature, which helps you to describing that this image related to the which product. So that is all about this simple image visual. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and definitely learned something new about Power BI visuals. So guys, we will learn many more new custom visual here under this playlist, and we will cover most of the custom visuals in detail. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this full course playlist guys, I have covered all the topics of Power BI under these 50 tutorials. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so here we guys can see we have multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn all the DAX functions in detail. And with the help of this update playlist guys, you guys will also get to see the latest update about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visual in detail. And last but not the least, so I have added one more playlist which name is Power BI with SQL. So here under this playlist guys, I am also trying to cover all the concepts of SQL in detail. So you guys can also start your journey with this playlist to learn more about the SQL. In this way, you guys can enhance your data analytical skill in Power BI as well as in SQL. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers. And we also provide paid training guys. If anyone interested for the paid training support, so you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. So thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.